every company needs to take their own decision on that and how deep and how fast they want to go. I would take a bit of a, I don't know, cautious approach to that. As I said, I think test it, because the model is out there, but it's not been scaled to the level where everyone can see this is working and now we're copying it and we're doing it in our company. So test it, capture the data, and then when you see and understand the customer behavior and the product mix that you need and how you will set that business up, I think you should launch it as a parallel to your current business model. And then actually let the customer choose. What model are they preferring? And if the circular model is growing and bypassing the linear one, well then it's an easy decision to take to move over. So I think it's a good strategy to not go all in. You can have a goal and an ambition to say by 2030, by 2035, or whatever time frame you want, we would like to have a circular business model. We want to be a circular company. But the way there is step by step.